What if just 1 week in paradise could completely reset your mind, body, and soul? Why are thousands of people leaving behind careers, chaos, and comfort zones to take part in something that's changing lives across the globe? The global retreat revolution. Across the world, something extraordinary is happening. From the serene beaches of Costa Rica to the mystical valleys of Bali, thousands of people are packing their bags, not for an ordinary vacation, but for something much deeper. A transformational retreat. And no, these aren't just yoga camps with fruit smoothies. These retreats are intense, emotional, and at times, life-altering. They're attracting burned-out CEOs, anxious millennials, digital nomads, trauma survivors, and even people who seem to have it all, yet still feel something's missing. Why? Because something in today's modern world isn't working. The constant notifications, the never-ending hustle, the superficial small talk. People are craving something real, something sacred, something soulful. What actually happens at a transformational retreat? Picture this. You wake up to the sound of the jungle, not your phone alarm. Your morning begins not with a coffee rush, but with breathwork, cold plunges, or a silent walk through ancient forest paths. By noon, you're deep in guided meditation or participating in group healing sessions where tears flow, and no one is ashamed. These retreats are carefully designed to peel away layers of stress, trauma, and emotional baggage. Activities can include plant medicine ceremonies in legal regions, deep somatic breathwork, emotional release dance, ice bath immersion, guided journaling, shadow work, sound healing, and yes, sometimes just sitting in silence and rediscovering your own thoughts a result. People cry. People laugh. People remember who they are. The science behind the shift. But let's step back. Is this just spiritual fluff? Not at all. Studies now show that even short immersive retreats can dramatically lower cortisol levels, improve heart rate variability, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and increase feelings of connection and purpose. In a world that's more digitally connected yet emotionally disconnected than ever before, these retreats offer something rare, real, human connection. And the brain? It loves novelty. It thrives on deep rest and reflective solitude. Many participants report a sort of mental reset, similar to a vacation, but with results that last far beyond the plane ride home. Who are these retreats for? Think transformational retreats are only for yoga gurus or spiritual wanderers? Think again. These spaces are attracting people from every walk of life. Entrepreneurs seeking clarity, creatives battling burnout, parents needing to rediscover themselves, young adults unsure of their path, veterans healing from PTSD, couples reconnecting on a soul level. Retreats now cater to all types, from trauma-informed programs, to women's empowerment retreats, to silent meditation experiences, to even digital detox boot camps. You don't need experience. You don't need flexibility. You don't need to be spiritual. You just need one thing: a willingness to go inward. Why now? Let's face it, the world is more stressed out than ever before. Mental health crises are rising. People are lonelier, more anxious, more disconnected, despite the illusion of being more connected than ever. That's why these retreats are exploding in popularity. Because for many, this is more than travel. It's transformation. More than escape, it's awakening. These retreats aren't just helping people heal. They're helping them remember who they were before the world told them who to be. And in that remembering, lives are being changed. Families healed. Careers reborn. Entire belief systems restructured. If this stirred something in you, maybe it's time to pause and ask, what would your life look like if you gave yourself permission to transform? Because the path to peace, clarity, and healing, it's not somewhere far away. It's already waiting. In places around the world. On retreats designed for you to finally come home to yourself. Subscribe for more life-changing content. Watch our next video to explore the top 5 retreats in the world you can join right now. And if you're ready to start your own journey, don't wait. The transformation begins the moment you say yes.